Okay, guys, this is our last video for 7.1. I'm going to do the last couple of the word problems for you. All right, so let's start with number 19. It looks like maybe a little bit of an easier one. It says Ryan has 18 socks. They already drew out the picture model for us, so that's helpful. It says select one number from each column to show the division equation represented by the picture. So they already told us that total 18. They want to know the divisor, like what we're dividing by. So if I look up here, I'm going to see what are my two other numbers, my groups or how many in each. I see that there's 2 socks in each one. And then I see how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can put them in either order, but I have to make sure that maybe my answer kind of fits with these options they give me. So 18 divided by, was one of my options 1? No. Was one of my options 2? Yes. I can do the, whoopsie, 2 here because there was 2 in each. So the 18 divided by 2. And then how many groups were there? There were 9. Is that one of my options? Yes. Okay, let's go back up to number 18 and do the little bit of a harder one. It says there are 3 ruby-throated hummingbirds. So I already see the ruby-throated. And remember, this means how heavy they are. There's 3 grams, and there's 3 of them. And there's 2 of another type of hummingbird at the feeder. Okay, and I don't know which type it is. The birds have a mass of 23 grams in all. So that makes me think of their total weight. What other type of hummingbird is at the feeder? Okay, so I have my 3 ruby-throated, so I'm going to draw a picture of them. Here's my 3 hummingbirds, and they each have a 3 inside because they're 3 grams each. Whoa, that does not look like a 3. There's a 3. Okay, and so I would obviously try to find this total. Their total is 9. And then it says that there's 2 of another type, but I don't know which type it is, so I don't know how much it weighs. But I do know one more clue. The birds have a mass of 23 grams in all. So I know if I take the ruby-throated's 9 grams and whatever these are is total, and I add them together, it's going to give me 23 altogether. Now I'm missing a number here that I have to figure out first, okay? I'm gonna finish this. There's just one missing number here that I could try to figure out, okay? So some options are you could start at 9 and count up until you get to 23, or you could start at 23, the total, and subtract to see what's left over for this missing number. I'm gonna subtract. 23 minus 9. Whoa. Trying to go fast so I don't run out of time here, is 14. So this total of both hummingbirds has to be 14, okay? Because if I do one hummingbird 14 and this hummingbird 14, then the total of all of them is going to be too much. So now I'm taking 14 and I'm dividing it by 2. So I'm splitting it to 2 different birds. So what's the double that would make 14? 7. And another 7. That would equal 14. So now which one of the birds would it be? The magnificent. If you said magnificent, you are magnificent. That was a hard one. That was like a triple step problem. Okay, I'm going to stop. All right, good job, guys. Have a good day today. Do some reading with a Read to Self book. I'm also going to put on, there's a couple of their websites that I have that you can go to for books called Epic Books, where you can read different books, real story books that you might have seen in the library. There's books, there's Storyline online, all different places that you can get some books today if you haven't done your reading already. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow with more videos. Bye.